Stars in the universe represent some of the most magnificent events in our cosmos because to form a star takes a lot of heat, a lot of pressure, a long time, and they twinkle for us for billions and billions of years. Let's just talk about the way a star is formed and then get into the actual science of how a star is made. Stars form in very cold and dark dust clouds that contain, well, space debris, gas molecules, and space dust. These dust clouds, where the star will be formed, are known as a nebula. Inside of these clouds, there is a perfect balance between the inward force of gravity and the outward pressure of gas molecules. This balance could last for thousands of years, until it is disturbed or bumped into by either a supernova explosion or another gas cloud right next door to it. Once the gas cloud is disturbed, a tug-of-war begins, and this tug-of-war forms what we would call the beginnings of a star. The reason why I call it a tug-of-war is because the cloud wants to dissipate. It wants to break apart and float as molecules in the universe. But gravity continues to hold together. So you have the force of gravity and its desire to dissipate working against each other. That's why the balance is broken. But in most situations, gravity wins and heat rises, and the cloud is squashed into something that's shaped like a disc. As gravity works its magic, the cloud gets denser and it gets a lot hotter. Over the next 500,000 years, this cloud will get hotter and denser and smaller. And this will continue until the temp reaches about 15 million degrees Celsius or 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. When these very special temperatures are reached, nuclear fusion begins and the star's core is ignited. And then the star is born. So it takes all of these things working together to form a star. So we might look up into the sky and see beautiful stars. I personally love looking at the night sky and seeing all the beautiful constellations, especially using my app on my phone. That's my favorite thing to do. And when I'm looking at stars, I'm always thinking, what are some ways that the stars relate to our lives here on planet Earth? Because as you know, we're all galactic participants, so we engage with space as much as it engages with us. I hope that this helped you see that your life experiences are so precious and they're so individual to who you are. And when you are authentic to the individuality and that you want to express it on more of a cosmic stage with other people, you are becoming a star in your own right. And I can't wait to see that magnificent light inside of you shine. Mwah! I love all of you so very, very much. Thank you so much for joining me on this very special Omni Talk about stars and how you are stardust and you are just becoming a star with all of the wonderful experiences that you will be soon having. I will talk to you all very soon. Mwah! Bye for now.